Is your money safe with Bread Financial? That's the question on a lot of minds lately, and it's a smart one to ask. In today's financial landscape, understanding the stability and security of the institutions holding your hard-earned cash is more important than ever. We've seen headlines about bank failures and economic uncertainties, so digging into the details of any financial institution is just good common sense. Bread Financial, formerly known as Alliance Data Systems, isn't your traditional brick-and-mortar bank with branches dotting every corner. Instead, they operate more in the realm of digital financial services, primarily known for their private label and co-branded credit cards. Think of those store-specific credit cards you might have. There's a good chance Bread Financial is behind some of them. They partner with major retailers across various sectors, from clothing and electronics to home goods and travel. So, when we talk about safe, we need to consider what that means in the context of Bread Financial's operations. They aren't holding vast amounts of consumer deposits in the same way a traditional bank does. Their primary business revolves around extending credit and managing those credit card portfolios. This distinction is crucial because the typical concerns about a bank's liquidity and solvency, driven by deposit outflows, don't directly apply in the same manner to Bread Financial. However, safety in the financial world has multiple facets. We need to consider their financial health as a company. Are they profitable? What's their debt situation like? What do the major credit rating agencies say about their stability? These are key indicators of their long-term viability and ability to meet their obligations. Looking at their financial reports and ratings from agencies like Moody's, Standard & Poor's, and Fitch can provide valuable insights. These agencies assess the creditworthiness of companies, essentially evaluating their ability to repay their debts. While ratings can fluctuate based on economic conditions and company performance, they offer a professional, independent perspective on Bread Financial's financial strength. Beyond their overall financial health, data security is another critical aspect of safety for any financial institution, especially one heavily involved in credit and digital transactions. Bread Financial handles a massive amount of sensitive customer data, including credit card numbers, personal information, and transaction history. Robust cybersecurity measures are paramount to prevent data breaches and protect their customers from fraud and identity theft. Investigating their track record on data security and the measures they have in place is essential when assessing their overall safety. Furthermore, regulatory oversight plays a significant role. While not a traditional bank, Bread Financial's credit operations are still subject to various financial regulations and consumer protection laws. Understanding which regulatory bodies oversee their activities and their compliance record can offer another layer of assurance. Assessing the safety of Bread Financial requires a nuanced understanding of their business model. They aren't a deposit-taking institution in the traditional sense, so the immediate risks associated with bank runs are less applicable. However, their financial stability, credit ratings, data security protocols, and regulatory compliance are all critical factors to consider. Doing your own research, consulting reputable financial news sources, and understanding the specifics of their operations will empower you to form your own informed opinion. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.